Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to unlock the gold pass in Candy Crush Saga. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and after doing that guys, go ahead and log into your account. So after opening up the application and logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the game, where you can see all the options that you have. As you can see, you have the map, you have the events, the shop, and so on. So guys, now let's say that we want to go ahead and unlock the gold pass in Candy Crush to be able to play using the gold pass. Well guys, this is what we have to do. As you can see, here is the main page where we can see our progress, and guys, basically all we have to do to be able to unlock gold pass is to first play enough until we get the offer to unlock it. So you will have to play for some time, get to a certain level, and after that guys, it will appear in your shop, and you can go ahead guys and now open your shop right here at the bottom of the screen. Click on shop and it will take you to this new page where you can see all the deals that you can buy. So as you can see here, we have some deals like daily bundle, sweet bundle, and so on. And here you will be able to unlock the gold pass by purchasing it using real money or some similar currency. But basically guys, it's going to go ahead and appear in your shop, and after purchasing it guys, you can now continue to go ahead and play Candy Crush using the gold pass. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.